Hello friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban and in this video I am going to explain you how I made 1,13,000 profit in Astral Limited. Okay, before I'm explaining further, please make sure you are subscribed and like my video so that I will be motivated a lot. All right. Okay, the stock name is Astral Limited and it's a beautiful channel pattern, guys. And this stock, I have been talking about this stock in since past couple of weeks, and yesterday also I talk about this stock. I requested you to add this stock in your watch list. Okay, if anyone made money from this stock, just do let me know in the comment section, and let me explain you why I took this trade and what made me to take trade on this stock. So the confluence is that, there is one, two, three, four, and here 5, here multiple rejection 6, right? So I consider 1. So 6 time it got rejected at support level, and top we have 1, 2. So there is multiple rejection, just we consider 1 and 2. Okay, so now we have beautiful channel patterns, we have beautiful rejection and support, and we have beautiful rejection at resistance level. Now let me look into this pattern deep. Okay, so we just validate in multi time frame analysis, and let me go to 1 week time frame, guys. So 1 week time frame, so I have been talking about this stock since this candle formed. Okay, and this is a beautiful reversal candle, and the stock is also a trending stock and market is in bullish condition. So we have reversal candle. The only thing is we need to wait for right opportunity to enter, right? So that's what I waited, and also I in between these candles I made around 20k. Apart from that 20k, today I made 1,13,000 profit. So why I entered with a 3 lot in futures and made money? Because normally I won't take much risk with more than 1 lots, but in this stock I took 3 lot and made money. Let me explain you why I enter with 3 lots. All right. So here there is a reversal pattern, and after that there is a green candle which touched this trend line, and next day there is a red candle. But look, all these candles seems like there is a huge rejection at the bottom, right? Here huge week, and here huge week, huge week, huge week, right? But after this candle, just look, there is one more doji at this trend line. Right. So this indicate that because this indicate that there is a lot of buyers. So by just looking at this candle, we can say that there is buyers, because it's a huge green candle which tells me that there is a lot of buyers. And again, it's a confirmation candle at let me go to 1 hour pattern. So now look, the it got rejected, right? And then its sellers came, and then buyers dominated, but end of the day it closed as doji, right? But end of the day buyers dominated. So what I did at the close of Friday evening, I entered in this stock and I made hell lot of money, nearly 7 percentage, I hope. 7 percentage in futures with 3 lot, and I made 1,13,000 profit. As I said, I set my target over here at resistance level. It just got hit and I booked my profit. That's it. It has a lot of potential to move further, but we don't know, right? So once we set the target, we have to stick with the target. Once we set the risk, we have to stick with the risk, right? So that is what I follow normally. And let me take a look how much risk reward I earned in this stock. It's 1 is to 10, 1 is to 3.56. Just consider 1 is to 3.5. Okay, percentage wise, it will be around 10 percentage. In overall 10 percentage. Okay, because I made some money over here around 20k. So let me show you the evidence of how, because some people ask me, really we made 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh 13 rupees. Let me show you the evidence in my Zerodha live account. This is Zerodha live account, guys. Okay, and today position Astral October futures, and I booked 1 lakh 13,932 rupees as a profit. And I have one more stock in whole, India Mart. Today I just entered into India Mart, I'm in small loss. If you look at the percentage, 0.43 percentage, 5,000 something is in loss. I hope that as per my confluence, it has to move further. Let's check, okay? And so this is how I made money today. When you follow the right strategy and when you follow the right mandar, definitely you are able to make a lot of money in stock market. The only thing you need to do is you have to be very patient and you have to keep learning, and you always focus on your strategies. Do not change your strategy again and again. Okay, so that's a huge mistake. So follow your simple strategies, and in my opinion, I don't follow any indicators. That's my strategy too. Okay, and if you are interested to learn price action trading, you can contact me through WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number 8667872798. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.